Hello everyone, here we are once again, and today I'm going to talk about a lens that I currently don't have in my hands. But the thing is, I rented the Fujifilm 50-140mm f2.8 lens for a job that I had to do, and I had my hands on this lens for a couple of days, so I got to try it quite a lot. It is weather resistant and it has an optical image stabilization that you can turn on and off. This lens have click stops that are distinct and goes all the way from f2.8 up to f22. If you want to add filters on the lens, it comes with the filter diameter size of 72mm. This lens is a nice lens, but it comes with a pretty hefty price for around $1,600 and upwards. Secondhand, I saw it for around $800 and around that price range. That is in the lower price range. But for this price, you get a premium lens. The size of the lens is pretty nice as well, especially if you compare it to full-frame lenses. It's not super small, but it's just a little bit smaller. So if you, for example, compare it to a full-frame Sony G Master, it's slightly smaller, it sits pretty good on the camera house, and it's not a big burden to carry around with it. When it comes to the image quality of this lens, there's absolutely nothing to complain about. The quality is reflecting in the price. It's a premium price, but it's also a premium quality. There's no purple fringing that I'm noticing. There's no weird stuff going on. The background blur is nice. Perhaps, I just say perhaps, it might be a little bit soft. I'm not sure about this, but it might be a little bit soft, just a little. And I really want to point out just a little wide open at 2.8. But that's a good thing because it renders skin tones in a very nice way. And if you stop it down to, for example, 3.2 or further down, it becomes tack sharp and there's absolutely nothing to complain about. I would say Fujifilm have two lines of lenses. There's the older ones that has the sluggish focus motor and that are a little bit slow in focus performances. This one, however, is the newer one that are fast and accurate, silent, and you don't really noticing if it's focusing or not. It just does the job very smooth and very nicely, especially for still images. Unfortunately, I didn't have the time to try this out in film. So the question many might ask, like, do I really need this lens? Do I need a 50-140 or like 70-200? To be honest, 70, this focal range is you don't get that close to the thing that you're taking pictures of, but it is, however, an extremely versatile lens. Especially as a professional, I use this focal length a lot. For me, it's possible to shoot everything from portraits, products, and to get that compression that you get from a telephoto lens, which gives a lot of focus on the motive that you're especially shooting. So it is a very nice lens to have in your arsenal. But if you're looking for a range where you're gonna shoot like nature stuffs and animals and you want to be able to be quite far away but still come pretty close, then this lens is not for you. So we come down to the main question: is this lens worth buying? Yeah, absolutely. Considering what you get for your money, you get a premium lens that performs very much as you would expect from a premium lens. So if you need this kind of focal range, then there's a no-brainer. It's definitely worth buying it. If you want to see more videos like this, click here to see a full playlist with photo related stuffs and click here to subscribe. Thanks for watching, I see you later.